My name is Kurt Schaefer, and I'm an electives teacher here at the Keystone School. I would like to take a moment and discuss the importance of Memorial Day with you. Each year, on the last Monday in May, we pause to remember those who served and gave their lives for our country. Memorial Day is a time-honored tradition in the United States. A day set aside to honor and remember the men and women who gave their lives in service of our country. The history of Memorial Day dates back to the years following the Civil War, a conflict that claimed more American lives than any other. Originally known as Decoration Day, communities across the country gathered to decorate the graves of fallen soldiers with flowers, flags, and wreaths. Over time, Memorial Day became a national day of remembrance, honoring those who served and lost their lives in all American wars. Today, Americans observe this day in many ways, by visiting cemeteries and memorials, attending parades, and pausing for a moment of silence at 3 p.m., the National Moment of Remembrance. It's also a day when families come together, not only to remember sacrifice, but to appreciate the freedoms we share because of it. This Memorial Day, may we honor the past, remember the sacrifice, and live in gratitude for those who gave everything. Thank you for your time.